Hello. Does your child, or if you are a student, need help with coordinate grid? Well, I'm here to help. So, what do you think a coordinate grid is? Well, a coordinate grid is a type of pattern, but on a grid you have an x and the y axis. You have two numbers like 4, 2, and just plot it on the line. So, we're going to watch a video for you guys to understand this.
How would you describe the exact location of a point on a plane? For example, how would you explain exactly where the blue point is located on this plane? In this lesson, you will learn how to plot points on a plane by using the coordinate grid system. Let's review. You've been learning about all the parts that make up a coordinate grid system. You already know that horizontal and vertical number lines are used to create a coordinate grid system that helps us to locate points on a plane. Each of the grid lines is numbered. The numbers are called the scale. The horizontal number line is called the x-axis, and the vertical number line is known as the y-axis. You also know that axes is plural for the two perpendicular number lines used for locating points, and that where the two perpendicular lines intersect is called the point of origin. Coordinates tell us where a point is located on a grid. We write the numbers with the horizontal number first. To study a point, we need to know where to find it, so we give it coordinates. Coordinates are like addresses. Coordinates are always written in parentheses with the x-coordinate first, and then the y-coordinate separated with a comma. Another name for coordinates is an ordered pair. The ordered pair tells you what order to go in to get to a point. Remember, always start at the origin. Coordinates are always written in parentheses with the x value first. To get to the origin, we stand in the place where the two number lines come together. We don't move anywhere at all, so the origin is designated by the ordered pair 0, 0. A common mistake that many students make is that they think it doesn't matter which direction they move first to describe the location of points on the grid. Students sometimes move up first instead of over, which is not correct. Consider the point that has coordinates 3, 4 for its ordered pair. The first number tells you how far to move along the x-axis. First, we look at how far across the grid that point is. This is on the horizontal axis. So the 3 and 3, 4 says we need to move 3 units to the right. Remember to start at the origin. Then we look at how far up the point is. This is on the vertical axis. The second number tells you how far to move up, going the same direction as the y-axis. So the 4 and 3, 4 tells you to move up 4 units. What about 4, 3? Is that the same as 3, 4? Remember, we just found that to plot 3, 4, we needed to move 3 units to the right and 4 units up. For the ordered pair 4, 3, first we move 4 intersections to the right and then 3 intersections up. These 2 points are not in the same place, as you can easily see on this screen. What about locating this point, 5, 7? The ordered pair 5, 7. 5 is the x-coordinate and 7 is the y-coordinate. Where do these two lines intersect? Remember to always start at the origin to plot a point and move first on the x-axis and then move on the y-axis. Did you find it? First, you had to walk along the x-axis to the 5th intersection. Then you needed to walk up parallel to the y-axis until you came to the 7th intersection. The red dot shows the location of the ordered pair 5, 7. There's one other mistake that students commonly make. Sometimes they forget that points can be located on either the x or y axis using the address of 0. They say 0? 0 means nothing. How can that be an address to somewhere? Don't forget, points can be anywhere on the plane, even located directly on the x or y axis. So where would you find the location of this ordered point, 4, 0? Notice for this one, the x-coordinate means to walk to the intersection of 4 and then stay right there since the y-coordinate is set at 0. In this lesson, you have learned how to plot ordered pairs using a coordinate grid system.
Okay, so I hope you guys listened. So we're going to the next slide. What do you think you'll learn? Let's try a problem. So you know how we are going to start from the origin. You're not going to start anywhere else but from the origin. And since if kids, we haven't done this lesson yet, we're actually going to not do this. Since you guys are probably already going to do this in class, we're going to do, I don't know why we don't have it up to 10, but I'll try to use something. I'm trying to think something, sorry. Okay, let's do 3, 2. So order pair, what do you think goes first? Will it be the 3 or will it be the 2? If you said 3, you're correct. So we're going to go down here, find the 3. Now, what do you think goes last? Said 2, you're correct. So we're going to go up till 2, and we're going to do that, plot that point. Okay, do that. Hold on a minute, sorry. And the answer would be that. Good job. And this test that you would take is not available because this isn't live. Thank you for watching. Hope this helped you figure out how to plot lines on a coordinate grid.